guys, welcome back with Wealthy Panda. Today I'll be reviewing with you a platform called PancakeSwap. Now, PancakeSwap is the undisputed winner as the number one exchange on the Binance Smart Chain. This is the place where people who are looking to exchange cryptocurrency usually come to in order to exchange money. Now, PancakeSwap actually is not the first to join the network. SushiSwap proceeded a little bit. However, everything PancakeSwap have been doing they've been doing everything really well that they are able to beat SushiSwap in no time. Now, I'm going to go take you through the platform, how can you use it, and what kind of potential return can you get with PancakeSwap. Now, I personally, once I started on the network, I started using PancakeSwap and I loved it. It is, as you can see, user-friendly, cute, lovely, and more importantly, it's very easy for you to put your money in and start investing in yield farming and stacking cryptocurrency. Now, let me give you a clue how big is the PancakeSwap as of the time I'm making this video. With over 2.8 million users, those guys right now have over $11 billion staked on their website. Now, you would notice also if you are following Binance.com on social media, they talk about PancakeSwap a lot and they recommended it very often. So it's definitely a trusted website. One thing I want to highlight, if you are actually using PancakeSwap or any other cryptocurrency money exchange to make money, always make sure you are connected to the right URL. And in every video, I actually put the URL for every platform. Because believe it or not, you will find exact copycat. If you change one letter here, you may find another replica of PancakeSwap somewhere. And this is why they are putting phishing scam. Some people mistakenly, they just write one letter wrong. Maybe you write pancake wrong or something, and boom, you are finding another website that looks exactly like PancakeSwap. If you connect your wallet, you can lose all of your money. So be very cautious, making sure you are connecting to the right platform. Now, you can trade exchange cryptocurrency here, but I have no interest of it right now. I want to focus on how can you make money with PancakeSwap, because you guys are with Wealthy Panda. Now, let's start with Farmy Yielding. Now, Farmy Yielding, I have explained this concept a little bit generally in the past. Technically, these are exchanges. They need cryptocurrency to exchange money. Anybody can come in, give them a pair of cryptocurrency. They will take this money in order to facilitate the exchange, and you get return of investment based on that. Now, one of the things I like about PancakeSwap is pretty clear forward what I'm looking for. If I want to make estimates how much money I'm going to make, etc., you can see they're having their own calculator. You can choose, I'm going to go ahead and start with the highest APR. So this is providing me the highest return of investment as of the time I'm making this video. You're going to find this pair of these two cryptocurrency. And again, you can add this cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in a second. I can click here and say, hey, how much money I will make if I invest $1,000? Based on the current estimate, I can make around 40K. If I give them $1,000 and if the current rate will survive. Now, I want to highlight, they cannot guarantee for you the rate. They are just making estimate. Let's say best guess. The rate can go up, the rate can go down. Some of these, when you get started, it's like literally 10,000 ABY or 1,000 ABY. But it's unsustainable. Over time, I'm going to say ideally, if you are investing in high-risk cryptocurrency, it can give you a return of investment 200, 300%, even like as a stable return, which is not bad overall. Now, usually if you want to stay in the safe side, you can go to what they consider hot. Cake and BNB. Cake is the main cryptocurrency, and they are using it for pretty much everything on the web. And you can see that this coin right now worth almost $14. It reached as much as $20 in good times. When this started, like literally maybe 7-8 months ago, this was like 30-cent cryptocurrency. And this is why people looking for new crypto or new swap exchange, because if you buy their currency early on, you can make some real money with this platform. So keep that in mind. Now, you can buy any pair of cryptocurrency, and I'm not going to go in each one of them. If you are more of a safe investor, what you want to do is you want to find the stable coins. Make sure you're having BUSD or USDT, one of the cryptocurrencies that you consider them stable. Here, BUSD and FINA. I'm not sure what FINA is, but again, you can click here, you can see the pair information. You can look at it and say, is this actually a good one or not? There we go. Come on. Flipping pancake for you. Okay, taking a bit. So I can another thing I'm gonna highlight: if you're gonna buy any of these cryptocurrency and you are not familiar with it, make sure you are not buying cryptocurrency that's by default is considered lousy. This is very important. So I'm gonna click what FINA is. I don't know what FINA is, or actually I do, but for the purpose of this video, I don't. So FINA is a cryptocurrency used for DeFi finance. You can check their website here. And I can tell, do I believe this cryptocurrency have a potential? If it doesn't, my recommendation just to stay away from it. Do not invest your money in a cryptocurrency you don't have faith in it. Taking way too long. Okay, MetaMask, stay aside. Okay, yeah, this got a big hit. I need to check why. There we go, FINA. So actually, it's a game with bunch of, again, I think it's purely a game. So it's a coin for a game. If the game is doing very well, having more audience, otherwise it probably get affected. So you need to look at, like, do I think this cryptocurrency have a potential? Usually if you're going to put a pair of cryptocurrency, I made this mistake. I would put a bunch of cryptocurrency because they are very high in the price. Like, oh, I get 1,000 APY. Let me go in and get in it. And later on, I realized that, my return goes down over time. And I bought a cryptocurrency that have no real usage. So make sure you are investing in the right coins. Let's just start with which considered actually hot. So Cake was BNB. They are both a good cryptocurrency. These actually, I would buy these. I would put money in them. 40% is not high enough. It doesn't wake me up in the morning. Zoo is a good cryptocurrency. I would put for them for 90%. Again, it comes down to your comfort zone. If you already have a cryptocurrency in your wallet, start with this instead of buying, because every time you make a transaction, you are losing fees. Always keep that in mind. Trying to find a good cryptocurrency. I bought BB and BNB. This is the only farm I have right now on PancakeSwap. FYI, not all farms here always available. Some of these are collaborating project with the other platform. Once the collaboration is over, you will not be able to make more money. So what's gonna happen is it will move to finished. And you will be able to collect your earning. You can withdraw with your wallet. I done that with one of my previous platform. I'm not sure which cryptocurrency. I believe it was Epic Hero. So again, these farms are not there forever. Usually if you want a farm that's continuously making money, it's probably have to be BNB, Pancake, something with Pancake on it, right? Because this is their main cryptocurrency. So this is one way to make money. And right now I only have one farm, which is BB and BNB, and it's giving me a return of investment 128 is not bad, but I don't have much money. I actually just put a bunch of money here that I couldn't put it somewhere else. If I put $1,000, I'm expecting a return of an investment of only 1,843 a year. Not so cool. Now, one thing I want to highlight about farms: when you're putting your money in farm, usually you're gonna have to collect it manually. So let me show you here. So I'm right now on the home page. I already have one farm. It's telling me collect the money. I can harvest all. FYI, even if you harvest all and you have multiple farms, they will actually literally force you to pay fees for every farm. So you cannot collect all the earning at once. So I actually just harvested this a few days ago, so I'm not going to touch it. It has to have enough money, 90 cents, $1. I'm not going to harvest this. Is usually a bad idea. But if you click harvest, it will immediately open for you the Binance. Let me show you. Here we go. And it's saying me pay 41 cents to get the money in your wallet. Of course, that doesn't make sense, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to just ignore it for now. And it's showing me a message error. Another place you can make money with PancakeSwap, of course, is the pools. This is a very nice place. I am actually more invested in the pools than in the farms. You can find all type of pools, but there's one unique pool that I want to pay attention to, which is called the Autocake, which you guys can see right here. Now, I'm actually, on the long term, I'm planning to only invest in the Autocake. I tried one of these, I think, manually. I realized it was a bad idea. So I'm going to click on only staked one, which means the one I have money in. I have some money in the Autocake. I think the Autocake is nice. Yeah, I'm getting 80% return, but the money is being auto compound, which is not the case with all the other pools. If it's manual, it means every time I make some money, I have to manually move it to my wallet, take it again, and put it back in the platform, which means I lose money every time. With this one, the money just keep compounding. If I want to withdraw, I can just go ahead and withdraw my money, which is make much more sense for me on the long term. Again, 80%, it's not huge, but it isn't bad. And I know I'm comparing this with other crypto. This is all focused on crypto. 80% doesn't wake me up in the morning. I'm gonna show you another thing. All of these manual ones, keep in mind, these are not fixed ABY. So for example, the one I'm having, Auto Cake, I seen it going anything between 70 to 80. So the range, it doesn't really change much, but you need to keep in mind, you cannot guarantee the return of investment. Always keep in mind, these are estimates. They are trying to do their best to give you an estimate of how much money you will make by putting your money here. Now, the bulls, or what they are doing with the bulls, it's literally you are giving them money that they can use as a collateral in order to mine cryptocurrency. So they are using your money to mine more cryptocurrency. So in Auto Cake, I'm giving them money to make more cake and send me some of it. Apply for every other currency. You can use that money in order to invest in any of these, pretty much any of these currencies. So if I actually go in and put it, let's find a good cryptocurrency that's not here. I'm not familiar with most of them. Let me see. I have one stacked. Here we go. I have Fina, which break my heart. That's going down in value today. I'm putting some cakes in order to make money from Fina. So if I click harvest now, it will immediately move this to my wallet. So actually, it's not bad. So in the bowl, I made like 0.37. I don't have much money here. I have like less than $50. But I can actually use my money, use my cake in order to get another cryptocurrency, which is super cool because if you don't need to buy every currency, you can actually just mine it. Mine it with your money. You don't have even to mine it manually. So I think this is very handy. Now, this is the most important part, honestly, of the PancakeSwap. Personally, I prefer the cake. I see the potential for them to grow in value over time because they are still a leading in their space. Now, they have an NFTs option here. I honestly don't believe this is useful, because you cannot use the NFTs to mine stuff. All the NFTs you have is you buy them to collect them. You can even make your own artwork and publish it if you want. All you have to do is actually create a profile. I think you pay one cake, which is $12-13 at the time making this video, and then you can start selling your own. If you have any NFTs, you can sell it online. You can see the craziest stuff. Now, anybody can sell anything here. It doesn't mean it's gonna sell. If you are lucky enough, you will have an NFT that sells, right? I'm not a big fan of NFTs. I think it's a wasting of time and energy for no purpose whatsoever. Yes, sometimes buys. I really have no idea who would ever buy this weird, art for 0.19. I think this is maybe like what? 15, it could be around $100. I mean, believe it or not, anybody would pay $100 for this. God help us. But this is what you need to, again, people can make money. It says people who actually want to blow their money over something. If you go to the NFTs, you will be literally blown away. Let's see this team. PancakeSwap. Here. This is almost $1,000 pancake. If it's unique, I can see some people may want to just show off. There's people who like to show off. But literally, there's not even much differences. Like, I can't tell why would anybody buy this stuff. Again, I'm not an NFTs guy. I only buy NFTs if it's in a game, if it's in mining, it's something that can return for me investment. For me, I'm not gonna buy something or just say, I'm gonna buy NFTs for $10 and I go list it for $1 million just to say I have $1 million NFTs, right? There's literally people who does that. So I'm not going to go much in NFTs. If you guys into NFTs marketplace, this is a good place for you to also discover. The last thing I want to show in the PancakeSwap for you guys is definitely the winning area. Now, I'm going to be honest. This is for me, from what I'm seeing, is nothing but a casino, okay? You can come here. Of course, BNB is a major cryptocurrency. They are saying you can predict the cryptocurrency going to go up or down, and it's going on every 5 minutes. So, for example, this is how many minutes left? I think, let me see, it's live. It's showing you almost done. So I'm not really sure how many minutes left. You can actually go in and invest in the next one. I actually start loading properly. But it should actually show me like, okay, right now this is the BNB is around 611 or 612. Do I expect in the next 5 minutes going to go up or down? I can bid up here, put my own money. My recommendation, again, I don't like these. I'm not going to put my money in it. It's honestly, you are burning your cash in a casino, right? You are betting against people. People believe it's going to go up. You believe it's going to go down. You and your luck. And you have to make your bet before it gets started. This is technically like flipping a coin, right? So your chances is 50-50. to a good level, and probably if you spend some time, do some analysis, you can come up front, like you can come up ahead really with the prediction, because what are the chances? It's either up or down. But you can see even in the last second, see this guy's just lost for 0.0001 cent. So it can be painful if you put money in and you lose over pennies. Okay, so keep this stuff in mind. There's no guarantee what's happening in one of these stuff. And again, if you like to go to a casino, you're probably gonna love this. Yeah, here we go. This is the timer. I tell you how much time left for that prediction game to end. If you're gonna put money, make sure you are putting at least 20-30 bucks to start in every one of these. If you start with anything smaller, $5-6, you're more likely to lose your money in gas, because literally every time you put your money in here or withdraw it, you are losing gas. The other thing you can do here is also lottery. If somebody want to go ahead and buy a lottery ticket, of course, you have a better chance to win this one than the real lottery. But I'm not a big fan. I am in this platform to make money, so I'm not going to talk much about it. You guys, if anybody interesting to gamble, hey, it's none of my business. But this is not the main purpose really of the platform. This is an exchange. The reason they try to add these gimmicks, I'm going to say it's a gimmick for me. Every platform has to start adding more features to maintain users. So PancakeSwap is saying, hey, come in here, make some money. But if you are bored, instead of go checking our competitor, go spend your money in the casino, right? This is really what they are trying to do. And you're going to find every exchange swap, they have their special thing to do. Some have games, some have other stuff. But their main core business is still, at the end of the day, is money exchange. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you would like to see future exchanges and future project in the crypto industry, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe if you are not a subscriber. And do not forget to hit that like button. Thank you guys, and stay tuned with Wealthy Panda.